Disney Wish. This is stateroom 11,000. This is my room for the next 3 nights, and this is one of my favorite rooms. I've stayed in this stateroom several times. It is a Concierge Oceanview stateroom. So there is no veranda, but surprisingly, I did not miss it that much the first time I was in here, partly because the room is so big. There's a closet, and there's just so much space. But I love it. Sleeps 5. There's a bed right there, the couch, and a Murphy bed. There's a desk area. And see how large this room is when you get over here to a little seating area. But this is the best part of the room for sure. This gorgeous view right on the very front center of the ship. We're in Port Canaveral here today. Got a little bit of rain happening out there. And you can see you can sit there on the window. It's a nice wide bench and it connects to the stateroom next to it. But there it is.